A tragic incident just happened at the eThekwini municipality where a water tank, I think the driver was having an altercation with some people in the surrounding area. And then all of a sudden he started driving his truck, but unfortunately there was someone in front of the truck and that person ended up being unalived. Unfortunately, I cannot play the video right here. It's not for sensitive viewers. If you want to check it out, you can even go to X and go check it out over there. Because, yeah, man, this is really tragic. The only thing that I can do is give you a video of a person that was there describing the whole situation.
Indlela kwenzeke ngayo beswasho silekhaya silandelana ngendlela besibone lapha kunemoto yamanzi khona and then kunomphakathi nabe sitsho sasimbekiwa amanzi kube sekunomsindo nje obukhona and then siphumile silandelana sithi siyoza noma siyobona ukwenzakalani umfethu ufike eqala mefika kuqala lapha ehamba phambili i-truck ngaleso sikhathi bisisuka ngisho idaba bese.
And if you watch the video, in your mind, you'll ask yourself certain questions. Why couldn't the driver see the person in front? At the same time, you'll ask the question, why was that person in front of the truck? Like, there are so many questions that need answers. But right now, the one thing that we are sure about is that this truck driver will lose his job and most definitely he will go to jail, because this was so reckless, because he even continued driving afterwards. He didn't even care what happened. Like, yo, man, like this, like, yo, yeah, as the person is describing it, he's saying that he can't even eat at the moment, and I understand after watching it.
Ngoba nala ilimalele khona iphambi kwasekhaya futhi umuzi wasekhaya omunye.
Now the eThekwini municipality is going to launch an investigation as to what was happening here, because, yeah, as I'm saying, that we are trying to ask ourselves so many questions. What was the altercation all about? Why was he debating with the people over there? Maybe there was no water over there. This just reminds me of government failure, because now we have government failure and then a person end up losing their life. Like, so this is not like something that people should really stand for. So, hey, man, rest in peace to the guy. Like, yeah, ish.
Mhlambe njengomndeni emva ukubona lesigameko esenzakalile noma lengozi yenzakalile wena bomlandela eduze nizizwa kanjani ngalokho?
Ngibhlungu kakhulu siswami, ngibhlungu kakhulu kumanje akudle kudla isisu sibophile nje kuthuli into engiyibonile ngibhlungu kakhulu sinyanda isigasi sami kubhlungu akuchazeki.